Hi guys, this is Jeel J and welcome to my channel. I'm so sorry for the bad lighting and how I'm looking, but you should get used to it because this is how it's gonna be, right? I'm too lazy to do all the jazz. So in this video, we'll be talking about how we tend to lose our confidence due to certain incidents, and then we end up questioning our own opinions and start taking advice for every small thing that is happening in our life from other people because we think we don't have the ability to assess, analyze, and execute in a certain situation due to some incident that we may have occurred or we have encountered in our past. So basically, there are a lot of people who always walk up to their friends or family members or whosoever they are close to for advice, seeking advice. I've been one of them. I still am sort of in some areas, like where I get difficulty in figuring out how this project should be executed or something like that. But when I was a kid, like while growing up, I did not know that whatever I'm thinking is right or wrong. Then I would always walk up to my cousin or someone to ask them that whatever I'm thinking, is it right or not? And I would always need their approval for it. And if they tell me something, I will keep thinking it and then I'll overthink it. And why these kind of things happen to us is that due to some incident, our confidence, like when you are saying, when you're raising out your opinion, when you're voicing out your opinion, you're telling someone, whosoever you're having conversation with, that this is what you think is right, and the other person keeps denying it. And over a period of time, if you encounter such situation again and again, you tend to question your opinions because you have not come across anybody who tends to agree with you. And all these people who have shown disagreement were in a way close to you, or blood relationship, family, or any sort of relationship. So you agreed to them thinking yes, you were wrong and they were right, and you changed yourself in a way as per their comfort, which is fine. We have to do that times, but not always, right? You need to understand where to do, what to do, and how to do, and how much is it impacting your own self. And we don't realize this happen with most of us, that whatever we do, everybody knows what's the best for them. No matter how many people you're walking up to, how many people you're asking, how many times you're questioning your own self, but believe me, everybody knows what's best for them. And whatever the thought that comes to their mind for a particular thing that they're thinking of doing is exactly what they should be doing. They should not be questioning it. However, all of us, we do that because, we have been raised in a country where we have been taught to think multiple times before making a decision. See, it's not necessary you have to give multiple thoughts to every decision. There are times that out of, let's say, 5 out of 10 decision, whatever the first thought that's coming is absolutely right for you and should go about it. But no, you don't. You, I think, like 2 of out of 10, you will go about what it is exactly coming to your mind is some of the plans which are like, entertainment, like you're going for a movie, going for a grocery shopping, you'll not question these things again. But other important decisions of your life, you will question them multiple times. And what happens after that, when you question something multiple times, you end up doing absolutely against or what your heart wants, because there are so many voices coming to your head, you questioning yourself, other people telling you different opinions. So in between that process, जो तुम्हारा दिल कहना चाहता है वो कहीं दब चुका होता है, और तुम्हें ऐसा लगता है कि वही सही है जो प्रैक्टिकली सही होना चाहिए, और तुम उसमें बहुत सारे थॉट प्रोसेस में निकाल करके, मिला करके, खिचड़ी सी पका करके कुछ एग्जीक्यूट करते हो, एंड देन यू डोंट फील सेटिस्फाइड विद इट, एंड ऑफ कोर्स द रिजल्ट्स विल नॉट बी सेटिस्फैक्टरी. So, like they say, there are too many cooks spoil the broth. It is actually true. And it happens only because we don't believe in ourselves and we don't trust ourselves enough कि अगर हमने कोई डिसीजन लिया ना बिना किसी से डिस्कस किए या सलाह लिए, तो वो सही होगा ही नहीं. और हम में ये कॉन्फिडेंस की कमी क्यों आई? क्योंकि हमने पहले बहुत ऐसे डिसीजंस लिए थे जो हमें लगा था सही हैं, लेकिन लोगों ने उस पर क्वेश्चन रेज किया, तो हमें लगने लग गया कि नहीं यार, शायद मुझे पता ही नहीं है, शायद मैं सही समझता ही नहीं हूँ, या मैं सही समझती ही नहीं हूँ, तो जो मैं सोचूंगा वो गलत ही होगा, बिकॉज मैंने ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे चीज़ें गलत करी हैं, तो हाई पॉसिबिलिटी है कि मैं फिर से गलती कर दूंगा. but we never tend to think the people we may have come across were not the right people. The people who have always questioned your way of doing things or questioned your opinion or decision were not the right people. They were the wrong people, and because of that, they gave you certain kind of opinion which has no importance, but still you took it to your heart and you implemented in your life, and you're still doing it, thinking that was the right way of doing things. So you always have to understand what kind of benefit somebody is bringing to your life, what kind of importance you're getting from someone else. Depending on those factors, you should make a decision how much value you should give to that person's opinion in your life, about your life, or about any decision that you're making. It's very important. Otherwise, these small incidents will make you lose your confidence. And at the end of the day, nothing but you'll end up feeling shallow. No matter how much you party, no matter how much you socialize, hang out with people, entertain yourself, in your heart you'll be feeling shallow. And anytime any situation comes in front of you, you'll not be able to end up making any decision on your own because of that lack of confidence that you are not even realizing is there and is piling on you and taking away your happiness. So, on that note, I would like to end this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye, and I hope this video helps whosoever needs help. Ta-da!